Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute, I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning, and this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back, moving on till I get it all. And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be?
Okay, let's get it on. Let's go. Punta tayo sa taas. Let's try to check and see if there's something. Although si Rain, may huli na si Rain isa. Not skunk. Hopefully maka-walleye. We can try to do some walleye fillet. Yeah, see you. Here. Let's try it. Tap water. Ayun, nandun sila. Yun ang aming kubol. Let's go. Uy, nahabol. Inahabol yung lure ko. Gago. Sige, sige, huliin nyo, dali. Ayun, inahabol. Gago ka. Huliin mo. Stoy, asan si Ray? Uy, yun, huli. Another one. Walleye ulit. Bigay mo ron. Ayos. Good job, boy. Ako. Baka meron dito. Mamaya na magta-tap water pag lumabas na yung araw. Ayun, huli. Yun, dali. Pag malaki yan, ha. Yeah, I'm recording. Sige. Yan. Fish on! Nice. Smallmouth siguro yan. Or pike. Walleye. Nice. Ayan, tirahin natin yan. Dali mo na, good eater yan. Walleye. Alright, good job, boy. Tirahin na natin yan. I-fillet na natin. Yan. Picture. Teka. Hindi ko mahawakan eh. Take outin na natin to. We resorted to bait and wait. Still nothing. Nothing is playing with us pa rin. Nothing wants our bait as of the moment. Ay, saan na sila? Kain na ka mo.
Tinatawag ko nga, hindi ka mo tumawag. Bakit tinawag mo? Kain na kayo, oh.
Asan na sila?
Huwag mo sila inamay.
Dan! Dan! Ha?
Walang maliit.
Kanina to?
Wala.
Akin na to. Meron? Lambat, ayan o. Ayun. Malaki, malaki yan. Net.
Dito lang pa.
Uy, laki! Ang laki! Sturgeon! Ang lupit! Bawal, pero di! Picture jet! Bawal stick! Ano master nito? 43?
40 flat.
40?
40 flat.
Oh, sukati mo!
Ano ba yan? Ano ba yan?
Ah, wala, hindi pwede yan. Bawal yan, bawal. Picture lang ang pwede dyan.
Bawal na pag may nanguhuli.
Si Raulo. Alam mo ba kung magkano fine yan? Mahina-hina 3,000 fine yan. Pa? Hindi pwedeng iuwi yan.
Careful. Don't touch it. Don't touch it. 40.
Like a shark. Looks like a shark. Sharky.
36.
Wait, no, teka po. Hindi pa po sa tail, di ba?
That's giant.
No, ano na?
Oh, you went to the tail?
Yeah. 36 and a half. 37.
37.
Jepoy, laki na ito.
37.
Oy,
Wait, teka po.
37 to. 3 inches na lang. Master angler na to. Oh, picture na. Sino hawak niyan?
Ako hawak nito ba? I didn't catch this one. Just take a picture.
Oh.
Hold it, please.
Oh.
Wait, because we gotta release this fast, right? No.
Release it.
Oh.
His mouth is kissing.
Oh, bilis. Oh, wabo. Hindi naka-video yan. Oh. Uy, wag mo ihagis. Paanohin mo lang. Ano mo sa tubig.
No, it's probably gonna be strong when you put it in the water. Put it in the
Okay na yan. It's moving na. I can release it. Ayos ah. First time ko nakakita niya in person ah. Oh, come on, man!